welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147. Excuse me. I've got my drink and we're going to have a look at the last part of my Fansells order. So let's move the ones that we can't see out the way and let's have a look at the one that we've got a sneaky peek of already. So these were showing as new on the site, so I thought let's give them a little gander. So can't get them out, but so we have a toolkit with baggies. That tends to be the stakes of these toolkits. Do you get baggies or not? Not that I tend to use them, but they come with a toolkit that does the job. So you may think that these are key rings, but they're not. These are fridge magnets. So I thought these were so cute for Easter. So we have 4 little chicks. Now I'm having a look, there is some marks on that, but I don't think it's underneath. I'm just going to pull it back and check. No, it's not underneath. So you don't need to worry about that actually being on the design itself. They do come with a clear plastic film, and it looks as though, I don't know whether it's just come off the magnets or not, but there he is. So we have got some sweet little chicks to show you each of them individually. We've got that one. We've got that one. Say ignore those little black smudges. Oh, they will come off. I'm guessing they've come off the magnets. We have that one. And we had a little cute puppy one. So I thought they were quite different and I thought they'd be quite nice to have up around at Easter. So let's have a look. See, look, I've even got black on myself. No wonder it's got on the film on the top. So we do have some special shapes with these. They do all work in numbers, but they are only one-sided rather than a keyring that's two-sided. So for number 8, we do only have one. But we do only need one, so that's okay. Number 7, we have quite a few. This is on all of the little chicks. So it's that little type. Then we have the teardrop, which seems to be one on each. So we do have extras of those, but they've made sure that there's plenty. And then we have our straightforward diamonds. So we have some pink, some orange, we have some black. What's got black on it? Number 3 is black. I'm trying to find, oh, it's the eyes. The eyes are black. Then we have some silver, and then of course we have some yellowy orange. So I thought they would be quite fun, especially to do over Easter. So let's pop those back in there, and then the little magnets did come in a separate bag, and then it came in the whole bag. I'm going to pop those back in there just because they are leaving little marks, but I'm just going to put them all in the same bag. And that can sit there for a project. So that was number 1, and then we'll start with the smallest and we'll work our way up. So we've got 4 to unbox in this one, but there is quite a few small ones. Okay, so this might be the one that's got a few of them that are a little bit different, which actually this one is one of them. So this is really small, but I did think it looked really nice. We've got a super duper toolkit with this one. We've got tweezers. So we have tweezers with this one, along with the green plate on wax. And that's because we do have some bigger diamonds. I'm going to take the whole cover off because it is giving quite a bit of a glare. But it is a black printed, so it is a partial, as most of the gem ones of course are. And you just put the diamonds, and this one is just symbols. So you just put them onto the different symbols. Now I just need to make sure that I don't put anything on top of it. and it doesn't curl up on itself. But I thought the design was quite dramatic for this one, and that's what I liked. It is all silver and red. So we have two different sizes of red, which is the E1 and the E2. And then for the silver, we have three different sizes of silver. So we have the two bigger ones and then the standard small size one. So the red is the heart. So the red is the heart, and then the silver is the doves. But I thought that was, say, quite dramatic, and I did like the idea of potentially, can't even get a plastic cover back on, there's no hope. That'll do, it's covered the sticky. But I thought this would be quite nice and dramatic in a small frame. So to have a look size wise, it is 20 by 20. So I may actually have a frame that will fit this one. I think I might have an IKEA frame that will fit this one. So I think I might have to get this one done. In fact, I might get this one done and put it on the end of this video. No, I'll do a separate video for it. I do it for all the others. So I'll get this one done as soon as, because I don't think this one will take that long. And I'm going to get that one in a frame, and I might see if I can find somewhere for that in the house. I think I've got a frame. That's the only reason I'm probably going to do this one quicker than I would. But yeah, I thought that would be something fun to do. Again, another evening one. Another one that is probably ideal if somebody's new to it, but also will make a nice statement piece and potentially even a nice gift. Newly married couple maybe. Yeah, I'm going to be doing that one soon. So that's that one. Say the canvas size is 20 by 20, even though it says 25 by 25. I'll have to check out my frames. If not, the review will be it not in a frame. Okay, next one. I think we might be coming to the ones that are for my daughter. Oh yes, because this one is. These two must be the ones that my daughter chose to do. Though I'm not sure when I'm going to see her to give her them, but we'll figure that out. So we get a standard toolkit with this one. And this one again is a partial. So for this one you only do the dragon. And you can see the plastic doesn't even go all the way. So to move that off, you just do the dragon on this one, and all this background is not sticky. It's only the dragon that's sticky. But this one is normal diamonds, not rhinestones. Symbols are all letters. They do not have DMC numbers, so just so you know. This one said 30 by 40. Are we going for 25 by 35? Oh, let's try centimetres. We are 25, just under actually, on that one. And 34.5. So it's just a little bit shy of 25 by 35. Let's cover that up before I've done it again. I need to flatten it as I put the cover on, otherwise it does pick up that crease that's not had time to go yet. But I'll put that under something and it will go. If you do want to get started on it straight away, you can turn it over and just do a low iron on the back, and that gets everything out. So let's have a look. Oh, these look pretty. Nice colours. And they're not all clumped together either, so that's quite nice. So to start from number one, we have some deep purple and a few more purples along the way, and pinks, and what looks like black, purple, and then some blues. So we've got a few blues there, and then we have some more blues and like a greeny blue. I like those colours. Is it that many across? Oh, maybe not. I'm going to fold it in threes because then I can make sure it definitely fits in. Because otherwise I'd just make a mess. So that is a partial from Fansells, and that one, I think my daughter's going to do that one, but I like it. It's very dramatic. And then, last but not least, this also is another one that my daughter chose. And, ooh, it's got 2 packages on this one. Can I get in it, please? Please. Oh, there we go. Okay, are we going to let us in? Oh, nearly. We're there. Okay. I don't put them back into those packaging things, but you could if you wanted to keep things together. Can you guess what house my daughter is? Oh, I'm quite impressed with how clear those words are. So, yes, my daughter is a Slytherin. Oh, forgot about the toolkit. So, we have a toolkit with baggies for this one. And we have 20 colours, and we do have DMC numbers. She's got quite a bit of white, and it is white because it's the number 5200, which in DMC is B5200. Just pulling this back just because it does help flatten it ever so slightly. But I am liking the quality of these canvases. They're quite thick. Nice. So another 30 by 40. Fansells, while they do lots of different images, they do tend to just be one size. So far, I've been pretty lucky. Pretty much every single one so far I would say has looked like its image. I think there may have been one in the last lot that could have potentially been nicer, a bit bigger, but I think they do a pretty good job at picking a nice size. And we are 25, you've guessed it, by 35. So again, we do have 5 centimetres off for the borders, and then 20 colours. There's going to be a few greens, which is probably good because my daughter likes the green. Oh, these are all chopped up already. Okay, so we have, oh, we actually have some pinkies, pink and purples. I think they are, well, sorry, I'm pointing to it and I've covered it up. That will be the tongue and potentially some of the shading, I think, or it's some of it down here. We have quite a bit of white. There is a lot of white. It's very weird when they're all separate. We have some black. We have some greys and greens shading. Let's try and keep the colours together-ish. So we've got some greys and some bluey greys. We've got some more grey and bluey colours, bluey greys. I don't know what colour that was, that's number 6. 500, so that's a dark green. And then we have quite a few different shades of green. And then we have some more different shades of green and some more green. You'd expect a lot of green. So let's, how many colours? 20. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and then white is 20. So we do have all the colours, so that's okay. They just were cut up, but we can cope with cut up. But I do like how the letters do seem to stand out to me. when the shine's off them anyway. Symbols are very clear, and the glue is really nice as well. There is nothing wrong with their glue. So that is the last 4. So we've got Slytherin, we have a partial dragon, so we just put diamonds on the dragon. We have the turtle doves, which I think that'll be really nice framed. And then we had, oh well, be gone, the magnets that are putting upside down, but we have the magnets. So that is the last part of my haul from Fansells. So thank you very much to Fansells. I hope you found something in there that you maybe will think, oh, I like that. I'm just winding up my tape at the same time. But yeah, I hope that's given you an idea of some of the things that you have. Yes, they have sent me these items to review. I did get to choose the items, so they are all items that I want to do and I like. There are many on there for everybody's kind of tastes. But go and check it out, and at the end of the day, if there is anything that is not good about it, I will tell you. But so far, I've been very happy with the products that I've got. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.